How to connect Android to Windows 11. First, click on the Start menu. Then click on All. Scroll down. Open Phone Link app. It's a pre-built app on Windows 11. Click on Android. Now signing in Microsoft account. Then a QR code will generate. Now go to your phone. Download link to Windows from Play Store. After installation complete, open it. Click on the link Signing using the QR code on your PC option. Scan the QR code with your phone. After scanning QR code, tap on Continue to confirm to link your mobile to your Microsoft account. A code will generate from PC. Enter this code on mobile, then tap Continue. Then allow all permissions the app wants. Select No Restrictions on the Power Usage section. Tap Done. Click on the Continue button on PC. Now allow notification access from phone. Click on Open Settings on phone. Then notification access will pop up on the phone. Select Link to Windows. Toggle on Allow Notification Access. Wait 10 seconds, then tap OK. You can now access various features on your Windows 11 computer. You can view and reply to notifications, send and receive text messages, transfer photos, and even call someone directly on your PC. And that's how you can connect Android to Windows 11. Thanks for watching.